Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Hi. Doing good. How are you?
I'm great. Thanks for asking.
That's good. My name is Cassandra. What's your name?
I'm Sultan Ahmed Khan and I'm from Saudi Arabia.
Okay. And you're living in which city in Saudi Arabia?
I'm living in Al Khubar.
Okay. I'm not familiar with this city. Is it a big city or a small city?
It's a small city.
It's small? Okay. And do you like living in a small city or do you prefer the big city?
Actually, originally I'm from Pakistan and
Okay.
I got a job over here. So I came to Saudi Arabia 1 year ago
Okay.
and I'm a teacher by profession. Right now I am at school at
Okay.
work.
What do you teach?
I teach the same subject, English.
English? Okay, very nice.
Yes.
And you said you're from Pakistan. Which city in Pakistan?
From Karachi.
Okay, that's the main city, the very big city, right?
Yes,
Kind
it
of.
is a main city, business hub, most popular city you can say.
Oh, very nice. And what are some differences between Pakistan and Saudi Arabia that you noticed?
Uh, Saudi Arabia is very clean and peaceful. However, Karachi, there is a lot of pollution. It's not clean, and you are not protected over there.
Oh, okay. That's nice. What about like I know the difference in food is very different because Pakistan, their food is similar to Indian food, and then in Saudi Arabia, it's like more Arabic food. Not Arabic food, Arabian food.
Yes, exactly.
But do they have some similarities like kebsa and biryani?
How do you know that much about Pakistan and Saudi Arabia?
Well, I mean, I'm from the United States, and Houston is my city, and there's so many different cultures in Houston. So I have friends who are from Pakistan. So I know Pakistan, I know that the Pakistani food, what it's like, what it tastes like. It's very good. And Indian food
Yes,
is
yes.
good too.
So in Houston, do you have Arabic people as well?
Oh yes, we have people from Turkey, people from no, that's not
Wow.
Arabic, that's more maybe Asian European, but people from trying to think of the countries, Saudi Arabia for sure, and
Hmm.
also Egypt. There's a lot of people from Egypt
Egypt.
as well. Hmm.
Yes, I'm also working in an you can say multicultural environment because here we have Jordanian, Lebanese, Palestinians, Indians,
Okay.
Pakistani, of course, Bangladeshi.
Yes, we have
So
Bangladeshis in Houston and also Lebanese.
yes, Lebanese here as well.
We also have a very big Greek population.
Great. Okay. So, as I told you that Karachi is not that much safe. So, what about in your city?
So
Like,
I don't live in Houston anymore, but you want to
mhm.
know about its safety in Houston?
I mean, just for example, in Karachi, we are very much afraid of going outside with our cell phones. So
Okay.
anyone can come and snatch our cell phones. So, do you have the similar issues, or it is safe?
No, and so I'll give you a comparison. In Houston, where I'm originally from, it's safe, but there's different kinds of people stealing your phones, but I think Houston has a lot of kidnappings.
Okay.
Okay. And there's a lot of gang violence.
Hmm.
But if you live in a nice area, you don't have to worry about these things. Also,
Yeah.
in Italy, where I live now, Verona is very safe. There's not a lot of crime, but in the south of Italy, in Napoli, more south Sicily, there's more crime. And I don't know about
Okay.
worrying about your cell phone getting taken, but you have to worry about someone taking your wallet from your pocket. You have
So
to worry
there are a
about
lot of pickpockets over
this.
there.
Yes, especially in the south of Italy and in Rome.
Okay. So why did you leave Houston?
I left Houston because my family is here in Italy now, so I came to move with my family.
Your family is from Italy?
Yeah, my boyfriend is Italian, so I came here with him.
Okay.
He's from
Okay.
here.
Okay. So Italian is a difficult language to learn.
Yeah, it depends. I don't think it's so difficult, but that's because I am very passionate about it and I like it and I enjoy it.
Okay. So you are learning Italian?
Yes, I am. I'm
Mhm.
learning Italian. It I have to learn very quickly